Good morning, sir. Myself, I am KM7. I am from Triple branch. My roll number is 244 Giovanni 0246. Today, my topic is diesel cycle working process and SI engine working. Introduction to IC engines. Internal combustion engines converts chemical energy of fuel into mechanical work inside the engine cylinder. Two major types: spark injection engines and compression injection or diesel engines. IC engine classification based on fuel used. Petrol SI engines, diesel CI engines based on cycle. Otto cycle, diesel cycle. SI engines basics. Spark engines use a spark plug to ignite an air fuel mixer, commonly used in light vehicles like cars and motorcycles. SI engines working cycle. SI engines follow the Otto cycle, which consists of 4 strokes: intake, compression, power, exhaust. SI engine intake stroke position moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. Intake value opens air fuel mixers entire cylinder due to vacuum. SI engine compression stroke. Both values are closed. Piston moves from BDC to TDC, compressing the air fuel mixer. Compression ratio typically 8.1 to 12.1. SI engine power stroke. At the end of compression, spark plug injects the mixer. Rapid combustion increases process forcing piston down. Main power stroke. SI engine exhaust stroke executes value opens piston moves up from BDC to TDC. Burned gases are explode from the cylinder. Diesel engine basics. Diesel engine uses compression injects, no spark plug. Air is compressed to high temperature and diesel is injected into hot air, causes auto injection. Diesel engine working cycle follows the diesel cycle. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. High efficiency due to greater compression ratio 14.1 to 22.1. Diesel engine intake torque. Piston moves from TDC to BDC with intake value open. Piston moves from TDC to BDC with intake value open. Only air enters the cylinder. Piston moves from BDC to TDC, compressing air. High temperature generated by compression alone. Fuel is injected at the end of stroke. Diesel engine power stroke. Fuel auto injects upon injection into hot air. Rapid expansion pushes piston down, delivering mechanical work. Diesel engine exhaust torque. Exhaust value opens, piston moves up from BDC to TDC. Burned gases are explode from the cylinder. Thank you, sir.